Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Alyssa. And today what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a foundation wear test. We're going to be trying out the new Too Faced Born This Way matte, oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, transfer-resistant, 24-hour, undetectable, super long wear foundation. Also super long name. But we're going to be trying this out today and seeing what we think of it. I also have a new brush from BK Beauty. I was going to show y'all how it was all packaged because it was just so sweet and nice. And so we're going to look at that and see what we think about that because we're going to be using that today. And I guess that's it. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and zip up my hair. And take off my glasses. And we're going to be, hold on, I might need my glasses. Alright, so a little bit about the foundation. It's a light-proof foundation that controls oil and keeps you looking flawless for a full 24 hours. It's medium coverage, obviously matte finish. It's a liquid foundation. Skin type is normal, dry, combination, and oily. And it has coconut water, which aids in delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. Alpine rose empowers skin's health and resilience. And hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. It's free of parabens and cruelty-free. It says this true matte formula stays completely color true while covering imperfections to reveal the all-day shine-free look of naturally flawless skin. The lightweight foundation is medium to full buildable coverage, non-acnogenic, waterproof, oil-free, and is transfer resistant. It's got clinical results in a one-week study of 101 women. 96% said this foundation feels weightless on skin. 99% said the foundation blurs away imperfections. 93% said this foundation provides undetectable coverage. Alright, we'll be the judge of that. I like that it has coconut water, but it says it's non-acnogenic, so it's not supposed to give you acne. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. So before, well, no, let me go ahead and dot this on my skin real quick. And it might be a little dark for me. Thinking it's going to be a little dark for me. So I went by the, you know, I'm light and neutral, but obviously their shades are a little off. Alright, so BK Beauty is where I got my brush. You open up the package, maybe. There we go. You open up the package and there's a little card. It says, thank you for your order and support. I hope you love your new brushes as much as I loved making them. XOXO Lisa, which if you don't know, Lisa J, I don't know if it's Lisa J Makeup, but she's a YouTuber also. She makes these brushes. And then it's got little confetti stuff, which my cat loves to eat. And it's wrapped up in this tissue paper. And they got your little order here in the back, tucked in the back. Yeah, I know, you love to eat it. She ran over here as soon as I said my cat loves to eat it. And it's got a little sticker And you unwrap it. Oh, they really do got this wrapped up good. And here is the brush. Sorry about that, I had the air conditioner on. But anyways, so this is the brush, what the brush looks like. And it's supposed to be a really good foundation brush. So we're going to see how it works today with this foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Yeah, that's totally too dark for me. But anyways, we're going to go in with concealer. And this, I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer, which this is a little light for me. So this is going to be really interesting. Alright, so I'm going to finish off my makeup and then I will be right back to talk to you a little bit about what I think and see where we go from there. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back and I got the rest of my face on. So if you're wondering, I know I was doing a video in between but playing with some of my ColourPop Jelly Munch shadows and the lip balls. I just got in today, so that's the rest of my face that I got on. I also used the ColourPop blush from the Wild Nothings that I hadn't used yet, which has a lot of glitter. But anyways, you'll see that video come up right either tomorrow or today or something. It'll be up soon. But let's see. What do I think about this foundation? Other than the color, I'm actually loving this foundation. I mean, it's dried down, but I can't even feel it on my skin. Like, it just feels like I got nothing on, just bare face. I don't know what they put in this, but it feels really good on. And I'm really appreciating that it's not super drying, because I have normal lean-in dry skin. So, and this seems like it's working perfect for me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear it for the rest of the day. I mean, it's later, it's 4:30, but I'm going to wear it as long as I can and kind of give you a little bit of a wear test to see how it wears, and just see the rest of what we think about it. So, all right, I'll see you here in a few hours. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just wanted to update y'all on how the foundation wore. It's 9:35 at night, so 4:30 tonight. I've had it on about 5 hours. It's not a full wear test, but it's been a decent amount of time. Right now I'm not oily, it stayed matte. All this glitter's making it kind of look oily, but I think it looks gorgeous and works gorgeously. So I'm definitely a fan. I hate it that I got the wrong shade. I don't know if I can make it work or not, but I mean, I made it work today, but I mean, I don't know on a normal basis if I would want to make it work all the time, or if I should return it. I hate returning things, but I really like this foundation, so it'd be nice to have it in my shade. I also wanted to talk about the brush. The brush did beautifully. I love this brush. It's so soft, and it just puts the product on just perfectly, and fast too. It doesn't take a long time to put the product on with this. I have nothing bad to say about either one of them. I don't know what else to tell you other than I love them. I'm excited to do my makeup again just so I can use this brush again. So that's about all for me today, and I hope that helped if you're thinking about buying. I hope this helped you if you were thinking about picking this up. I hope it answered some questions about it. I greatly appreciate you stopping by and watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. And ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my wonderful content. And I greatly appreciate you hanging out with me today. And I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.